Fix mouse cursor flickering in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Method 1. Restart File Explorer. If that didn't work. Method 2. Update mouse and keyboard drivers. Once the update is finished, restart your PC. After the restart, check if the error still persists. Method 3. Disable Windows Defender. Locate the toggle button next to Real-Time Protection and click on it to turn off the feature. You can also disable other options in this tab if desired. Close the Windows Security window. Restart your PC. After the restart, check if the error is resolved. Method 4. Disable biometrics. Right-click on Validity Sensor, or the specific biometric device you want to disable. Select Disable Device from the context menu. Click Yes to confirm your actions in the pop-up window. Close the Device Manager once you have disabled the device. Restart your PC. After the restart, check if the error is resolved.